Hello there, Denver Design Week viewers.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey, everyone.
Well, hi.
What is up, creative family? Becky Micklitz here. I'm in Denver, Colorado, and I'm a brand developer and designer for my company, Remix Marketing.
I am a freelance copywriter in Lafayette, Colorado.
I am from Broomfield, Colorado, and I am a UX designer.
I do visual and multimedia design for a national health insurance company.
And I'm the founder and president of Native Max and the editor-in-chief and publisher of Native Max magazine.
I'm here at my studio in Denver's Art District, the Art District on Santa Fe.
I actually live in Durango, Colorado, and I've been doing design for about 3 years now. So I started this a little later in life.
First question, what advice would you give your younger self?
Which new project or skills did you start or learn during 2020? Talking to the camera.
One specific topic I have tried to learn this year is the topic of lettering.
I'd say don't be afraid to put your work out and get it critiqued and show other people in the industry, people better than you.
Pick your projects based on people, not necessarily what the project has to offer.
Take a business class.
Really think about design as communication and not just artistry.
Take time to rest.
What do I like about the Denver creative community? And do I have any suggestions of how the community can become more inclusive?
I think the Denver creative community is a lively one. It's filled with really amazing people doing really cool things.
No matter where you go in the city, you always see artwork, you always see creations.
Have projects that involve more people and that can bring more people in.
I definitely love to promote working with Indigenous artists.
Do individuals that collect art, recognizing the diversity within the arts community?
My favorite creative resources to get inspired are probably thrifting.
When I look for inspiration, the first place I go is inside my head. This is our dog Luke, the one-eyed English lab.
I constantly have Spotify on, running different playlists.
Project that we're super proud of, Grow and Gather, most definitely, in Englewood, Colorado.
My favorite creative place is...
That's an easy question to answer because it's the place I'm sitting right now.
You know, like the first thing that comes to mind is Red Rocks. This is my dog Otter. She apparently needs some attention right now.
Well, first of all, Colorado itself is just an amazing state.
And one fun one that I always talk about is there was a client who really didn't have a ton of money, but they have really good food. So I just asked if they could trade food for design, and that fed me for a little while. So that would be my advice to anyone, including my younger self, just to ask for it.